Welcome to this comprehensive guide on best practices for Etoro stocks. As a leading social trading platform, Etoro offers a wide range of stocks to trade and invest in. To get the most out of Etoro stocks, it is essential to follow best practices that can help you make informed decisions and minimize risks. First, it is crucial to understand the different types of stocks available on Etoro. These include US stocks, European stocks, and other international stocks. Each type of stock has its own unique characteristics and requirements, so it is essential to understand the differences before making a trade. When selecting stocks on Etoro, it is essential to conduct thorough research and analysis. This includes reviewing the company's financial statements, management team, industry trends, and competitive landscape. You can use Etoro's built-in research tools and charts to analyze the stock's performance and make informed decisions. Another critical aspect of trading Etoro stocks is risk management. This involves setting stop-loss orders, limiting position sizes, and diversifying your portfolio. Stop-loss orders can help you limit potential losses by automatically selling a stock when it falls below a certain price. Limiting position sizes can help you avoid overexposure to a single stock, while diversifying your portfolio can help you spread risk across different assets. In addition to these best practices, it is also essential to stay up to date with market news and trends. Etoro's social trading features allow you to follow other traders, learn from their experiences, and stay informed about market developments. You can also use Etoro's newsfeed and calendar to stay ahead of market-moving events. To further improve your trading skills, it is recommended to start with a demo account. Etoro's demo account allows you to practice trading with virtual money, test your strategies, and refine your skills without risking real capital. Once you are comfortable with the platform and your trading strategy, you can switch to a live account and start trading with real money. Finally, it is essential to be patient and disciplined when trading Etoro stocks. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on emotions, and instead, focus on your long-term goals and strategy. By following these best practices and staying committed to your goals, you can increase your chances of success and achieve your investment objectives on Etoro. In conclusion, trading Etoro stocks requires a combination of research, analysis, risk management, and discipline. By following these best practices and staying informed about market developments, you can make informed decisions and achieve your investment goals on Etoro. Remember to always prioritize risk management, stay up to date with market news, and be patient and disciplined in your trading approach.